Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while. What can I say? This year's been a little bit crazy for a lot of us. I'm gonna do something a little bit different to what I've done in the past. So far the channel has been based on my Street 500. It has some ongoing work at the moment. There's a video being made for it. It will be happening. There's just a few bits and pieces I have to clean up to finish the video. I don't like doing partial videos. That'll be sorted out, and then there will be more uploads for the Street 500. They're coming. It's happening. I'm going to work on one of my other vehicles today, which is my 2013 SV6 VE Commodore Ute. So I try to make videos for stuff that I haven't seen other people make videos for, just because I find them helpful. I'm going to be changing out the broken trim, tailgate trim on the back of the Ute. Ever since I've had it, it's always annoyed me. This bit here. So from what I understand, this is a common thing that breaks on a lot of these Utes apparently. Partly due to people taking trailers off and hitting on it, or being backing into something and breaking them. So I'm going to try to do this from memory, from the bits and pieces that I've found online on how to do this. First of all, you need to get this one off. To do that, you should just need a Phillips head. So once you've got your 5 screws out of there, you've got these little trim clips. Just a flathead underneath the middle. Just carefully pop it out. Once again, it's plastic. Don't break it. It sucks to have to replace one. That's one. So centerpiece out. Middle piece out.
Center piece. One piece.
That should just come off there like that. I'll wriggle that underneath there. And zip that up like that. So this is the replacement one. Picked it up on eBay. You've got these 3 screws here holding it on. Okay, so the 3 nuts inside of here. Neighbours are going a bit nuts at the moment. So the 3 nuts inside of here are an 8mm. You should just need that little extension, and that should get you by. And you just crack it. There's enough room that you can get your hand in to undo it. So that's 3 nuts off. You're going to want to undo the wiring harness before dropping it. After that, we've got these ones here holding it in. So once you've got that out, just getting a flat-headed screwdriver, pushing against the side of that pin, sort of pushing it in like that, and just gently sort of trying to prise it out. Took a little bit of force, but kind of be gentle with it, because I mean, honestly, you don't even have to be. You could nip these off with a pair of side cutters or something if you really wanted. You weren't going to use it again. Luckily the one that I've got still got them attached, so they're in pretty good nick, so I'll use those. We want these lights to come out. Like that. And we'll do the same thing here. Now, she's got a little bit hot before. And there's the old one out. Now, new one in. Probably didn't have to do these back up. That one there. There and twist. It just sort of sits in behind it. Once again, if you really want to make this easier, you can pull the whole thing out. I'm just saving a bit of time by leaving this part of the wiring harness through the tailgate. That's all sitting like that again. So now that that's popped back on, you got the wiring in the right position. It's held back on with the yellow tabs again. Surprise, surprise. Put the nuts back on inside there, and put it all back together again. So they're all back on. Just give them a quick nip up. Just sort of give it a very light nip up. Once again, you're dealing with plastic stuff, it'll break. Don't break it. When you're putting this back on, you want to get it back in that lip first. Otherwise, you'll be trying to figure out why it doesn't fit. Just like that. Just sort of loosely put these in, just to hold it in position. Put your clips back in. Bottom part, these are shaped a certain way, so they only fit one way. Done. And last but not least, the handle. Back on there. Make sure it's got enough movement in it and it's sitting in the right position so it can obviously open the tailgate. We're all finished. So there you go, guys. That's how you change the tailgate garnish on a VE ute, possibly a VF ute as well, I think, because the tailgate's basically the same. You need 5 or 10 minutes, and you need 8mm socket, pair of pliers if you need them, a Phillips head, and a flat head. and you can do it yourself. Easy enough. Hopefully this has been helpful. If it was a help to you, please like and subscribe to the channel. It's probably going to be a little bit more VE content on the channel, just because there are a few things I want to do to this, and I thought I would video them while I do them as well. Just part of helping people out, because I've learned a lot of things off YouTube, and if I can put something out there that helps somebody else out, that's all I'm here to really do. So yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Bye.